Hey, now we haven't been making a video for a long time. I haven't made a video because we've been moving, we've been doing things, we've been running a business, having a family. So it's got to be 5 years since we last made a decent video. But things are about to change. We've been spending the last year preparing to move somewhere where we can have some land and we can set up our own allotment in our own land and have some woodlands and have some animals and all those things. So expect over the next few weeks and months we're going to start releasing videos, 1 or 2 a week, and we're going to show you how we're going to start creating our small holding in West Wales. So let me just show you where we're living right now. This isn't where the homestead is going to be. Homestead, whatever, small holding. So for the last few months we've been living, last 7 months, we've been living on the coast of Cardigan in West Wales. We've been looking to buy a house. And we've had this view. You can't really see, where's my finger? You can't really see due to the light of the camera. But that is the Irish Sea. And we've been waking up to that for 7 months. And we've had a tiny garden. We haven't had the ability to grow our own food, to keep our own animals. But the whole time we've been here, we've been working towards buying somewhere we can do that. I mean, we've had an amazing place to live. It's been stunning. Yeah, it's just beautiful. Please keep an eye on the channel. I have no idea what we're going to call this. But we're going to start posting regularly. I want to start getting involved in that again, and I want to film it. I enjoy doing it. And Terry is going to be with me, and the 2 kids that we don't know if we're going to keep on the film at the moment. Probably not, but we're going to show you what we're up to, and hopefully you guys can help guide us, and we can hopefully guide some of you. But yeah, see you guys soon at my new house. I'll probably do an introduction video when we move there, and I'll show you everything. It's going to be great. Good to see you guys. Bye.